Ready? Applesauce, applesauce, applesauce. Whoa. What was that look?
It just wasn't what she expected.
No. You want to try more applesauce? It's good stuff. Ah. Applesauce, applesauce. What do you think of that?
She doesn't have anything to say.
She's stunned. She's stunned. Try it. Apples are good for you. They're good for you. Hey, give me that back. Give me that back. Thank you. A little bit more apples. Boom. What? Is that too sweet for you? Too sweet?